Coming this autumn, a new World Food Bonanza at every RHS garden and online. It's the RHS Festival of Flavours.
We'll be sharing the best tips on how to grow the tastiest ingredients. From carrots to cucamelons and cow to kohlrabi, you can grow all of these at home in your garden, allotment, window box or balcony.
Hi, my name is Jason, also known as the Cloud Gardener. Now, I've got an 18th floor balcony garden, and on my garden I grow a whole ton of different veg and fruit. I grow strawberries, passion fruits, kiwis, brassicas, I've got kales, cabbage, cauliflower, and they all taste absolutely fantastic. It just goes to show that even on a small space, you can grow anything.
Top chefs will demonstrate the huge range of dishes from Europe, Africa, Asia, all around the world that you can cook at home with produce you've grown yourself.
I love cooking with the freshest ingredients in my home and in my restaurants, whether it's peas or beans or okra or spinach or chilies. When they're picked from the ground, they are so much tastier and they're so much better for you.
Nothing brings people together like growing plants and cooking.
Now join us from the 30th of September for the RHS Festival of Flavours. And this one has certainly got some flavour. Cheers!